Hello! Today I'll be sharing how to make these beautiful pattern papers at home. I have taken these thick tinted papers. Today I'll be using only watercolors to make different patterns. I'm making leaf pattern by using just one shade of green. You can paint different types of leaf shapes as well. And it is ready. Now I'm going to paint a basic 5 petals flower. Painting the pollens with yellow dots. And now making narrow leaves around it. Isn't it very easy to make? Now I'll be making small for petals flower pattern. I'm doing all the patterns with one brush only, but you can use different brush sizes if you think you have lesser control with thick brush. Now painting the stem and leaves in random directions for every flower. And this little flowers pattern is done. Lastly, I'm making a cherry pattern, which is very easy to make. And it is done. I hope you found it easy and helpful, as I have shown very basic patterns which are relatively easy to paint with watercolor. You can make many crafts using pattern papers. Hope you enjoyed watching it and see you in the next video.